This is a demonstration of integrating IBM Cloud App Management with IBM Tivoli Monitoring, or ITM version 6 agents. Let's start over in an ITM environment. Let's open up our Tivoli Enterprise portal on a host called ICAMITM. Let's log in with sysadmin, provide the password, and click OK. So when the Tivoli Enterprise portal initializes, you can observe that we have a Linux system reporting data in ITM Lin1. It's a Linux system and it's successfully pushing data into IBM Tivoli Monitoring. Our goal is to see the same data forwarded not only to IBM Tivoli Monitoring but into IBM Cloud App Management. So an OS agent can work in dual mode, connecting to both Tivoli Enterprise Monitoring servers and the Cloud App Management server. Other supported v6 agents will disconnect from the Tivoli Enterprise Monitoring server and connect only to the Cloud App Management server if you take these steps. So let's minimize the Tivoli Enterprise portal and let's go over to the ITM Lin1 machine. On ITM Lin1, let's open a terminal window and let's go to the directory where I've previously downloaded the interim fix which you need to apply onto your IBM Tivoli Monitoring agents in order to get them to forward data not only to IBM Tivoli Monitoring but to IBM Cloud App Management. For me, the folder is Downloads ITM63 Agent IF0004. Let's list the contents of that directory, and we need to unpack the gzip file in there. So let's do a gunzip on 6307 tiv itm tema if0004.tar.gz. That completes. It'll take a few minutes. We need to do a tar-xvf on the new tar file. So let's let that complete. Again, it'll take a few minutes. So when that extraction completes, let's change directory into the newly created folder. And let's list the contents of that folder. Observe there's an install.sh command. Let's run that to install this interim fix. A couple operands we need to apply. These are in the documentation. First operand is the install directory, which is in my case opt IBM ITM. Then we give it a -q operand, followed by a -p, then a backtick, followed by pwd and another backtick, /Unix, /tf, and then you put your architecture type. For me, on a Linux 64-bit 2.6 kernel, it's LX8266. Then we put a .txt. You can find the list of the architectures in the README file for the interim fix. The installation proceeds. Takes a few minutes, and once the installation completes, the agent restarts. And let's return to ICAMITM and confirm that the agent is still reporting status into the Tivoli Enterprise portal. We can see we do a refresh on the Linux OS agent and we can see the data is still showing up. So now let's go to the ICAMmaster2 machine and open up Firefox. We're going to do this to log into IBM Cloud App Management. First, go to IBM Cloud Private, select Workloads, Brokered Services, and click Launch beside the IBM Cloud App Management Helm chart. Click Advanced, Add Exception, Confirm Security Exception. Provide the credentials to log in. Now you're in IBM Cloud App Management. Click Get Started. Click Administration. Click Integrations. Click Configure an Integration. Scroll down and select Configure under ITM ITCAM Agents. This page outlines the steps to create the incoming integration with ITM ITCAM Agents. We've already completed step 1, prepare the agents for connection to the Cloud App Management Server by downloading and installing the patch. The second step is to download the following package file to the local systems and extract it. To do this, click Download File. Click Save File, click OK. Open up the folder where you downloaded the file. Right-click the file and select Copy to copy it into your clipboard. Open up the desired location to copy the file into. In my case, Downloads, ICAM. Right-click and click Paste. Next, let's return to the ITM Lin1 machine and change directory back from where the patch was. Let's back up several levels to the Downloads folder. Let's create a new directory. Let's call it ICAM. Let's start a secure FTP session back to the ICAMmaster2 machine where we downloaded the configuration file earlier. Confirm you want to connect, provide the credentials, change directory into Downloads, ICAM. List the contents of the folder and do a get on the file IBM Cloud APM v6 configpack.zip. When the transfer is complete, enter BY to close the connection. Next, use the unzip command to extract the transferred file. Unzip IBM Cloud APM v6 configpack.zip. List the contents of the current folder. Use the command tar xvf linux unix configpack.tar to extract the config pack. Observe the script agent-to-server_itm.sh. Let's run that command. Give it a parameter of -i and then point to the directory where the agent is installed. In our case, opt IBM ITM. Give a parameter of -e for the environment file and point to the env.properties file, which is located in the current directory. The command runs and restarts your IBM Tivoli monitoring agent. Let's return to the ICAMITM machine to make sure that the status is still getting reported to IBM Tivoli Monitoring. We can click on a couple of the workspaces and note that their data is still being forwarded in. Let's return back to IBM Cloud App Management. Scroll down and observe that step 3 in the instructions is the step that we just completed. Click on IBM Cloud App Management in the upper left. Select Resources. Observe there's 2 resources reporting in now. Scroll down and under Linux Systems, note the last updated resource is ITM Lin 1. Select View Resources. Select ITM Lin 1. Observe the data that is presented. This is collected from an IBM Tivoli Monitoring version 6 agent, forwarding data into IBM Cloud App Management. This concludes this demonstration of configuring IBM Cloud App Management to receive data from IBM Tivoli Monitoring version 6 agents.